Hi, welcome to Har-Ber Meadows in Springdale, Arkansas, where the average home is 2,759 square feet. The range is between 1,300 and 8,000 square feet homes. The lots range between 11/10 of an acre and over an acre. Bedrooms range between 3 and 6 and baths between 2 and 8. With over 600 homes in this planned community, we are going to tour one that's currently on the market. And whether you move in 7 days or 7 months, please give us a text, a call, or schedule a Zoom. Come with me and let's tour this beautiful home on 3/10 of an acre just off of I-49. This home is freshly painted and has a new roof, and this stately beauty is waiting for you to call it home. A grand 2-story foyer greets you as you enter the front door. The formal dining to the left of the front door has a gleaming, beautiful wood floor. Now we're entering the spacious eat-in kitchen, the perfect place for casual meals, especially with this 7.5-foot long island. And it has central vac with a dustpan sweep, what I like to call a kick plate. Don't you just love those? And I can imagine having Taco Tuesday here every single week and then cleaning up the mess with our kick plate sweep. This newly painted cabinetry has plenty of storage, but there's more. Right behind us is a walk-in pantry, a half bath right next to the door leading to your 3-car garage. Now, Har-Ber Meadows is one of the safest neighborhoods in Springdale, Arkansas, and this home has a security system. This gracious family room features a gas log fireplace, perfect for entertaining and relaxing on quiet evenings. And notice all the crown molding. It's upstairs also. There's a patio door leading out to the fenced-in backyard that has a gate from the driveway so you can come in the back door as well. This home has a laundry by the master suite. A true owner's retreat. Look at this jetted tub and glassed-in shower, and you have 2 sinks, a walk-in closet, and more cabinetry than you can imagine. The main suite also features an attached office with a coffered ceiling and gleaming wood floors. And it faces the front of the house, which has a park just across the street with disc golf. That's just one of many parks and many amenities that Har-Ber Meadows has. It includes pools, 35 acres of lakes, trails, wide sidewalks. Now let's go upstairs. Upstairs in this lovely home has 3 bedrooms with 2 baths with jetted tubs and a second laundry. There's custom blinds throughout the whole home, and crown molding even upstairs. There's curbside recycling, irrigation, attic storage. And here's the laundry, upstairs laundry. And just off the landing is the third bedroom with the other jetted tub. HarBer Meadows also offers diverse amenities within walking distance: a grocery, banks, physicians' offices, restaurants. Recently, I met a sweet lady named Terry who was thrilled to find her dream home right here in HarBer Meadows because she can access everything she needs within walking distance. So if you're moving or you need to check out HarBer Meadows, it's close to all attractions and facilities. Just like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and be sure to let us know if you'd like to come and visit. Have a blessed day.